By the end of this video, you're going to have a 5-habit blueprint for kickstarting your health journey this year to keep you on track. This is the exact routine that LeBron James credits for maintaining his elite performance well into his 30s, and the same framework I think Jennifer Anderson followed as well for her decades of maintained energy and vitality. It's actually built around science-backed micro shifts you can layer into your day without really overhauling your whole life. Forget those overwhelming 2-hour morning rituals plastered all across social media. Each of these habits takes less than 10 minutes to implement. And these are bite-sized changes that will actually meet you where you are now. The research shows that consistency with these fundamental habits creates a compound of benefits over time. And just as Tom Brady used to demonstrate throughout his record-breaking career, he's just stay locked in. Let's explore all 5 right now. Okay, so habit number 1 is really strategic morning hydration. So your body loses approximately a pound of water while sleeping through either respiration or perspiration, and starting your day dehydrated actually affects everything from cognitive issues or function to metabolism. So the science shows that drinking 16 to 20 ounces of water first thing in the morning rehydrates your brain, jumpstarts your metabolism up to probably 30% for 60 to 90 minutes, and primes your digestive system. That's key. Primes your digestive system. The mistake that a lot of people make is either skipping your morning hydration entirely or immediately reaching for that cup of coffee, which further dehydrates you. This little tip, keep a glass of water by your bed and maybe a pinch of high-quality salt for electrolytes to help with the absorption. Drink it all before your first cup of coffee. If you think proper hydration is just about quenching thirst, you're actually missing the bigger picture of how it creates the foundation for our next habit. And so now we're going to talk about one of my favorite, which is habit number 2, and it's movement. Research, I don't know if you know this, but research has shown, especially from the American College of Sports Medicine, that breaking up periods of sitting with brief movements of, stretching or any kind of movement will be more beneficial for metabolic health than a single workout followed by prolonged sitting. So, 2 to 3 minutes of movement breaks through your day. I have an Oura ring and I wear it and it alerts me when it's time for me to get up and move. And it also will help regulate your blood sugar, improve circulation, boost mood, even endorphin release. Actually, it'll also help maintain joint mobility. The common the common mistake is believing that you need to change into workout clothes and get sweaty with movement. Movement is about frequency, not intensity. So some great ways to just think about starting would be either wear an Oura ring or set a timer every 45 to 60 minutes, get up, do something. Do some air squats, 10 air squats, 10 arm circles, just even while you're waiting for your coffee to brew. When you're taking your phone calls, of course, put it on speaker mode, but do it while you're walking around. Or do 5 counter push-ups while you're waiting for water to boil. Just be conscious of movement. If you think these are the only 2 foundational habits you should add to your life, well, let's focus on the whole health journey. So let's go to habit number 3. So protein needs to be deliberate. So when you're taking your morning protein, it isn't about just building muscle. Studies show that consuming about 100 grams of protein daily across meals supports metabolism and reduces cravings and maintains muscle and muscle mass with aging, but it also improves recovery. The science is clear. Most people significantly underconsume protein, especially at breakfast, when protein helps set your metabolic tone for the entire day. The mistake you make most is backloading protein at dinner, when your body can more efficiently use it earlier in the day. So you need to aim for about 25 or 30 grams of protein within your first waking hour. This could be Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, a smoothie with protein powder. It could be eggs with vegetables. Some people even do those overnight oats and prepare them with a protein powder. That's good too. But the timing strategy helps regulate hunger hormones and energy levels throughout the entire day, making other healthy choices easier. So now, before I get to the next habit, please make sure to subscribe if you're looking to make a more sustainable health this year, so you don't miss any of our evidence-based health content. Okay, so now we're going to go to habit number 4, which is strategic light exposure. Morning sunlight exposure for 5 to 10 minutes signals your circadian rhythm, improving sleep quality, hormone regulation, and even metabolism. Research at Stanford and Harvard shows that morning light exposure before 10 a.m. increases alertness. It actually improves mood by boosting serotonin. It helps regulate melatonin production 14 to 16 hours later. There's a critical mistake in viewing morning light as optional and believing that indoor lighting provides the same benefits. It doesn't. Even on cloudy days, outdoor light is 10 to 100 times brighter than indoor lighting. So implement this, and it is kind of simple. Just step outside within the first 30 to 60 minutes of your waking, and just don't wear sunglasses. Light needs to reach your retinas. And combine this with your other habits. Drink your water, do a little bit of light movement, eat your breakfast outside if you want to. Strategic light exposure sets your body's daily rhythm, and so that's so important. Okay, so let's go to the final, and this is kind of interesting. It's all about sleeping environment. Sleep isn't just rest, it's actually active recovery. Your brain clears metabolic waste, your muscles repair, your hormones rebalance during quality sleep. Now, research shows that the temperature may be one of the most important environmental factors for a deep sleep. Your body needs to drop into its core temperature by 2 or 3 degrees for optimal sleep. Most people focus on supplements or sleep techniques while ignoring their sleep environment, the foundation of quality rest. So keep this in mind when you get ready to go to bed. Make sure your bedroom temperature is maybe about 65 to 85 degrees. And block out all light sources. I have blackout curtains in my room. And just make sure it's really dark. And if you need to, use a white noise. That will help, or even an air filter in your room can help, that low reduction of noise. Remove all electronics, or set them to airplane mode, and consider kind of winding down 30 minutes before you're getting ready to go to bed. These environmental changes will work with your biology rather than against it. So, making your deep sleep a priority is really one of your 5 and most important habits to think about. So here's the beautiful thing about these 5 habits. They work synergistically together. Each one supports the other. So imagine, morning hydration primes your metabolism. Movement throughout the day improves circulation and focus. Protein timing supports energy and recovery. Light exposure regulates your hormones and sleep-awake cycle. And finally, sleep environment optimization ensures recovery and regeneration. So the key is to start small. Don't try to implement all 5 tomorrow. Choose one habit that seems easiest to you. Master it for, let's say, a week, and then add another. Remember, health isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. These small habits done on a regular basis create the foundation for everything else. So I kind of wonder which habit you want to start with. Think about it. If you want to let me know in the comments below, please do. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share it with someone who may benefit. Until next time, I'll grab my water. Here's to your health, one small habit at a time. Thank you so much.